Hi guys, my name is Patricia.
I'm Manus.
Myself, Rohit.
I'm Mithil.
And I'm Joel, and together we are Team Meraki. So, as you guys know, that we were the same class in the semester one itself, and all of us knew each other because we were classmates since the first semester. And though we were in different groups in the starting, we just knew each other as we knew each other as classmates. And then in semester two, towards the end of it, comes COVID, and then going to college and all stops, and then everything starts becoming online, and then slowly, then we had a break. So during the break, Mithil and Manu shifted to Scarborough, and then me, Patricia, and Rohit were still here. And
Yeah, that
online
is true.
classes started. Yeah,
I think towards the semester two, we started with the online asynchronous learning, and that continued to sem three. Hopefully, we were still wishing that we could go back to college, but that did not happen. And in came semester three, and we started with our applied project, and that's how we became a group um, together, Team Meraki. And like any other group that goes through forming stage, we also went with a lot of challenges, difficulties, discussions, fights with each other on what to do and what not to do.
Especially the communication challenges.
Exactly, the communication channel that we had with each other, when to
Let us
talk,
tell
how
the
to
story
talk, and
about the
schedules.
communication. Let us tell the
Yeah,
story of the
Yeah,
but
communication.
first I
actually
would
good
like
point.
to just say that uh, we are a team with three dominant people in our
Yeah,
team, and one influencer and one steady people. And just like how we are having a conflict now, talking with each other, this is how we started our journey as well. So yeah, let's go on to our conflicts and challenges that we face together as a team.
sure. Let me share my screen. So I hope you guys are able to see my screen.
So this conflict, it was more of a challenge for us. So initially we had like only 4 members, and later the fifth member was additionally added by voting. So with this, the team charter was prepared further on. So this team charter highlighted the creative side output, the availability, and it was created with such a effective and reliability rules and regulations where each member could be able to give his maximum output, looking aside his availability and his time on the project to spend. So
Especially there were
that's how,
strict guidelines for the communications.
yeah.
Everyone
So
must respond.
exactly, that's how. So each team member was selected one project. So further on, when project was selected, each team member was given one project to select, and every member had a different background. So they had problems with selecting the project. We had meetings with our mentors. We sat down and we decided by each team member how we would select the project. Later on, we developed an evaluation sheet. Okay, so this sheet was the thing that helped us select a common goal selection. So this common goal selection was selected with the calculating common goal from each team member towards this project. So mutually agreeing on Team Parker was our project. So this project highlighted the marketing part, and there was this real estate that was really booming at that time. And we thought we should get into this. And I think so. This is the step ladder where we can learn more about this. That's
Because
how
we
we
were
selected
quite
our
curious about, like, because of COVID, every industry is struggling and why real estate is booming. And even the real estate is booming, why our agent needs our help. So that was the curiosity. So we selected the marketing as the marketing of the real estate broker as our applied project. And we were quite ahead actually. I think Mithil planned, and after finalizing the selection, we did the meeting with the sponsors in the SEM3 itself, and we developed the solution. Like we were having the solution in the mind, like digital marketing campaign. And I still remember, Mithil, how much excited you were with the digital marketing solution because it was your field. And then came the SEM4, the biggest challenge. So just imagine that as a team, you know that your biggest project, applied project, is in the SEM4. The SEM4 is all about applied project. You have planned the solution and have all the map in mind. But after break, when you start the SEM4, you have a new mentor. And we all know Mr. Will Navarra, with all due respect, is a great mentor. We have worked with him from SEM2. And he was very great expectations from us. He even told the mentors, the sponsors, that this team is very great, and I know that they will be able to deliver much good solutions to you, much innovative ways. And after that, he rejected our initial plan, what we have worked on. And we were like, what? He told that you guys have, before researching, you guys have jumped directly to the solution. I'm not telling that the solution is not correct, but you need to research more. And this created a havoc in the team, especially if you guys, and because of this, our whole communication channel broke down. Not a single member was on the same level. We were all thinking differently. We were unable to understand the expectation of the mentor. As such, we were also struggling to do finish off the projects with other assignments. So this was the first problem, just scheduling. In SAM 4, there was a huge communication gap. Assignments were being rushed at last stage, and the result was poor grades. This continued till week 5 of semester 4. But the challenge comes the solution. In the week 6, our mentors suggested us to get an individual assessment done. It was part of the course, but he told us to do it individually with him. So every member was on one-to-one person meeting with the mentor, and we told him that this is going on. We are having communication challenges. We are struggling with the grades, and we are unable to, because we were having a plan, and that the whole plan was rejected. So now the team is like all sprinkled around. No members know what to do. So he told me as a leader that you focus on the management. Don't focus on the solutions. Focus on the management and focus on the communication, and keep the whole team in the loop. I still remember, Patricia, you called me on the night before the individual assessment, and you were like, I don't know what's going on, right?
Yes, that is absolutely right. I was so out of the loop. After my assessment with our mentor is when I realized that I really don't know what's going on in the project and how to go about it. And that's how we discussed it as a group, and we went forward from there, I guess.
Yeah. And then came the members' viewpoint. So
Yeah,
Rohit,
especially so like for me, individual assessment is very surprising element for me. So in individual assignment, mentor just take the feedback of other team member also and give me feedback that you are doing very well in all other parts, but you need to be put your point of view in front of other team members also, especially in the mentors meeting as well as like with the sponsors too. So by this feedback, I put my efforts double and take participate in the meeting also.
and we were quite surprised, guys, like because of all this, we were able to work together. We were able to find innovative solutions, and in the innovation and technology showcase, we were the finalist of one of the top 5 teams. And in the starting, we were not much serious about it, but after end, we were ranked top in the first 25 in the first round. From the 10 to 25 teams, our team was top, and then we put more work on it, and today we are still expecting the results, awaiting the final results. But yeah, we are in the top 5.
Well, I think so, Manish. That is how Team Meraki is, right? We do everything with our heart and soul.
Yeah. So we would like to end the discussion with the motto of our team, that what is Team Meraki? So Meraki stands for putting our heart and soul into the work. And thank you for listening us.
Thank you.